Swamiji. So we go into understanding about your teachings. Obviously, you've just been saying that you have your level 4 awakening in Bali. I want to know why Bali?
Oh, Bali is one of the holiest places where for ages the whole civilization is filled with the great teachings of Vedic tradition. The Vedic tradition was taken to Bali around 10,000 years before. It is pregnant with the spiritual energy. 93% of the Bali's population follows beautiful Vedic tradition, and I tell you, that is the island lowest crime rate in the world for the whole year. Only handful of incident happens for the whole year. You can count the number of crime happens whole year in the Bali within your two hands. So such a crime-free island filled with numerous temples and spiritual lighthouse. The whole energy is such a high spiritual energy. It will be really beautiful and easy for people to flower in the inner awakening. That's the reason I have chosen Bali for the inner awakening level 4 in coming December.
Thank you, Swamiji. I also wanted to find out, because you have never really looked at doing level 4 before. It's always been 1, 2, and 3 in your teachings.
Yes.
So I believe level 4 is very new.
See, in the inner awakening level 1, we teach people, we initiate people experientially into the science of completion with themselves. And in the level 2, we initiate people experientially into completion with others. In the level 3, we initiate people into creation. In the level 4, I am initiating people into not only creation, experientially initiating them into the ability to create others. Here, not only you create the reality you want, you make everyone who is around you to create their reality also as they want. So as a whole group, as a Sangha, all of us are successful. See, around each one of us, there is a family, there is a team. Whether it's in your office or in your house, the team which is around you, in your office or in the house or your friends, the team is what I call Sangha. In this level 4, I experientially teach you to make your Sangha also realize their reality. So not only you create your reality, your Sangha means your family or your community or your corporate house team or your colleagues, all of them are helped by you, enriched by you to make their creation into reality. So as a whole Sangha, you celebrate your life. That is the uniqueness of inner awakening level 4. You will be experiencing a powerful harmony, a most influencing factor on others' life is harmony. So if you really want to influence, make a difference in others' life, you need to bring a powerful harmony. That science of bringing that powerful harmony will be brought to your experience, into your reality in this inner awakening level 4. Yes, go ahead with your next question.
Yes, my next question is, you mentioned the word completion. What is completion?
Yes. Let me define the word incompletion. Incompletion means the hangover residue of the past sitting inside your mind and restricting your freedom and your spontaneity in the present moment and destroying your future. This is what is incompletion. For example, if you are carrying a deep incompletion about certain food, naturally your body becomes allergic to that food. If you carry resistance towards some person or some reality of your life, naturally that becomes poison, that becomes a difficulty or danger in your life. For example, if you have fear of snake, your whole life you may see the snake only once or twice, but every day you will be remembering the snake 200 times. So incompletion is the hangover of the past which stops you, hangover and residue of a past memory or a past incident or a past situation or a past thought or a past emotion which are residing in you in the present moment and restricts and limits your cognition, the way you understand and respond to life in the present moment. So, completion means dropping all the incompletions and liberating your consciousness to have more spontaneity, more freedom, more energy and more powerfulness, more joy, more totality in the present moment to celebrate the future.
Thank you, Swamiji.
Yes.
So we have a question because you mentioned also Kundalini awakening, Kundalini activating, to make. So basically, talk to us more about Kundalini.
Yes.
So we have a
Yes.
understanding.
See, first thing, when I speak about Kundalini, I wanted to say few words. What all is not Kundalini? I need to first clarify so many myths and wrong concepts about Kundalini. We have many wrong ideas about Kundalini, like it's something like a black magic or dangerous and it may disturb your body, mind, all that kind of a wrong concepts. Let me be very clear. Kundalini is your inner potential energy. You have so many powers. Even using the right word at right time is a power. Thinking in the right direction is a power. Feeling in the right direction is a power. Like this, you have multiple powers inside you. Kundalini is the totality of all these powers. It is like your abilities. See, nowadays, you don't need to believe these powers. You don't need faith component at all, because I have already developed a precise methods which are reproducible in the large scale, which proves very clearly the possibility of awakening your inner potential energies. Kundalini is awakening those powers in you, like telepathy and power of thinking, power of completion, materialization. These are all the few expressions of Kundalini. I can give you little more detail about this Kundalini. If your body is prepared with yoga and mind is prepared with the right methods of completion, suddenly all the blockages in the path of Kundalini energy is removed. Your body is flooded with a real experiential energy which brings, activates multiple auspicious good energies and powers inside you, which results into more health, better space of completion, contentment, stress-free life, fulfillment in relationships, and better consciousness to attract and celebrate wealth. All these newer dimensions open in your life. So Kundalini awakening is a very powerful Vedic way of helping you to reach your potential possibility, your peak possibility, whether it is in the field of your career or field of fulfillment or your health, mental wellness or relationships, in any dimension, helping you to reach your peak possibility, helping you to reach your highest experience is Kundalini awakening. So, with the right master, with the right methodology, with the right technique, when you awaken the Kundalini, you will not have any negative side effect and any negative after effect. The only after effect will be positive health, bliss, fulfillment in every sphere of your life. The right time, right place. Thank you. Please go ahead with your next question.